Before the evaporators is delivered, it's important that the site is prepared properly. So you need to prepare a space where the evaporators can be stored and unpacked. Now here, this truck will be unloaded and the evaporators will be placed just next to the other bunch here. When the crane is attached, it's very important that you ensure you have enough space here in front of the truck, because the crane now lifts the evaporators and then the truck drives slowly forwards until the evaporator is free from the lorry. After we have unloaded the evaporator, we always check that there is still overpressure in the unit to ensure that it's tight. This is done by unscrewing this one. You can hear that by squeezing this small valve. After delivery, you check that the fins and the coils here underneath is nice and undamaged. We have this end beam here. This is attached to the evaporator during transport. It's very important that we save this for later installation after all the pipe work have been finished. So therefore, unscrew it here and then store it somewhere safe during the installation period. In this bag here, we have all the bolts and nuts for fastening the end beam and also the brackets for mounting the beam. The brackets must be mounted before the evaporator is lifted onto the steel construction. All the wood has to be removed after it have been unloaded. And also these brackets is also just transport brackets. Please check that the crane is still attached before you loosen the last bolt. Otherwise the evaporator will fall down on the lower one. When lifting the evaporators, it's very important that you use a proper lifting beam like this. Here we have attached 6 pieces in every side, so 12 in total. That ensures a good and equal lifting of the weight to ensure nothing is damaged.